Welcome to Daily Overdose.
It's an honor to stand before you today to talk about something that is deeply personal, yet universally relevant: the journey of rebuilding yourself. Life, as we know it, often brings unexpected challenges, and we all find ourselves at some point or another feeling broken, lost, or uncertain. However, the beauty of life lies in our ability to rebuild, to renew, and to grow stronger in the face of adversity. Rebuilding yourself is not an easy task. It requires immense courage, self-reflection, and a willingness to face the parts of yourself that you may have ignored or even feared. But the process is transformative, and when done with intention, it can lead to profound growth. Today, I want to explore the journey of self-reconstruction and why it's something that we all have the power to embark on. Acknowledging the need for change. The first step in rebuilding yourself is recognizing that you need to make a change. This may come in the form of a major life event, such as a loss or failure, or it might be the quiet realization that you've been living in a way that no longer serves you. Acknowledging this need for change is powerful because it's the moment when you stop denying reality and begin to take ownership of your own life. Accepting imperfection. One of the most important lessons we must learn is that imperfection is not a flaw. It is a part of being human. No one is perfect, and no one has all the answers. Rebuilding yourself means accepting that you are not defined by your mistakes, but by your capacity to learn, grow, and improve. Embracing vulnerability rebuilding. Yourself also requires vulnerability. To truly rebuild, you must be willing to take a hard, honest look at your weaknesses and areas of growth. Vulnerability allows you to acknowledge your pain, your fears, and your limitations. It is through this openness that you can begin to heal and develop a stronger version of yourself. Letting go of the past, in order to rebuild, you must first let go of the past. This is often the most difficult part of the process. It means releasing grudges, forgiving yourself, and accepting that some things cannot be changed. The past no longer has control over your future unless you allow it to. Letting go is not about forgetting. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of old wounds. Cultivating self-love. Rebuilding yourself requires an unwavering sense of self-love. You can't truly rebuild if you don't believe in your own worth. This isn't about arrogance. It's about recognizing that you are deserving of happiness, peace, and fulfillment. When you love yourself, you set the foundation for everything else in your life to flourish. Defining your values. Before embarking on the journey of self-reconstruction, you must define your values. What truly matters to you? What principles will guide your actions? Rebuilding yourself is not about becoming someone else. It's about returning to your core, your authentic self. Knowing your values helps you align your actions with your beliefs, leading to greater satisfaction and purpose. Setting clear goals as you rebuild. It's essential to set clear and attainable goals. Without a vision, the process can feel overwhelming. These goals should reflect your values and be designed to help you grow. Make sure that they are specific, measurable, and time-bound, so you have something tangible to work toward as you progress on your journey. Taking small steps, rebuilding. Yourself is not something that happens overnight. It's a gradual process that requires consistent effort. Celebrate the small victories along the way, because every step forward, no matter how minor it may seem, is a step toward a better version of yourself. Overcoming fear is one of the greatest obstacles to rebuilding. It is the voice in your head that tells you that you're not good enough, that you'll fail, or that change is impossible. But the truth is, fear is often a sign that you are on the verge of growth. When you face your fears, you realize that they hold no real power over you. You are stronger than any fear you might face. 10. Building resilience. Rebuilding yourself requires resilience. the ability to bounce back from setbacks, learn from failure, and keep moving forward. Life is full of challenges, and resilience will be your greatest ally. It allows you to keep going even when things get tough, and it helps you to maintain hope and belief in yourself. Seeking support. You don't have to rebuild yourself alone. Seeking support from others is a crucial part of the process. Whether it's friends, family, or professionals, having a support network can provide you with encouragement, guidance, and strength when you need it most. Remember, asking for help is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom and courage. 21. Learning from failure. Failure is often seen as something negative, but it's an essential part of rebuilding. Every failure offers a lesson, a chance to learn and improve. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as a valuable teacher. Your failures are not a reflection of who you are. They are simply stepping stones on your path to success. 22. Cultivating inner peace. True rebuilding occurs when you cultivate a sense of inner peace. This means finding stillness within yourself, regardless of external circumstances. Meditation, mindfulness, and self-reflection can help you tap into this peace. When you are at peace with yourself, you can handle any challenge that comes your way. 23. Fostering self-discipline. Self-discipline is the backbone of any rebuilding process. It requires you to stay committed to your goals and remain focused, even when things get tough. Self-discipline doesn't mean perfection. It means showing up for yourself every day, even when you don't feel like it. 24. Celebrating small wins. Along the journey of rebuilding, it's essential to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. These moments of success are proof that you are on the right path. Recognize them, savor them, and use them as fuel to continue moving forward. 25. Forgiving yourself. Forgiveness is a key aspect of rebuilding. In order to move forward, you must forgive yourself for past mistakes and shortcomings. Holding on to guilt and regret only keeps you anchored in the past. Forgiving yourself allows you to release that burden and create space for healing and growth. 26. Maintaining a positive outlook. A positive mindset is crucial during the rebuilding process. It may not always be easy, but maintaining a positive outlook helps you stay motivated and resilient. Focus on what you can control and keep your eyes on the future, rather than dwelling on past setbacks. 27. Trusting yourself. Trusting yourself is perhaps the most important step in rebuilding. Trust that you have the strength, wisdom, and resilience to overcome any challenge. Believe in your ability to navigate life's ups and downs, and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. 28. Living authentically. As you rebuild yourself, it's important to live authentically. Be true to who you are, not who others want you to be. When you embrace your true self, you begin to live in alignment with your values and desires, creating a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. 29. Understanding that rebuilding is ongoing. Rebuilding is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Life will continue to present challenges, but each time you rebuild, you become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Rebuilding is a lifelong journey, and each step brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. 30. Embracing the new you. Finally, as you rebuild yourself, embrace the new you. You are not the same person you were before. You have evolved, and that evolution is something to be proud of. The journey of rebuilding may be long, but the result is a stronger, more empowered version of yourself, ready to take on whatever comes next. Thank you. 12. Practicing patience. The journey of rebuilding yourself requires patience. You won't see dramatic changes overnight, and sometimes it may feel like you're not making progress. But trust that every effort you make is bringing you closer to the person you are meant to become. Be patient with yourself, and give yourself the grace to grow at your own pace. E. Developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for rebuilding yourself. This mindset is based on the belief that you can develop your abilities through dedication and hard work. It enables you to view challenges as opportunities to learn rather than insurmountable obstacles. With a growth mindset, setbacks become stepping stones to success. Building healthy habits. Rebuilding yourself also involves establishing healthy habits that nurture your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Whether it's exercising, eating well, meditating, or getting enough rest, your daily habits play a critical role in your overall growth. Small positive changes in your daily routine can make a significant impact over time. Fifth, reconnecting. With your passions during the process of rebuilding, it's important to reconnect with the things that light you up, your passions, hobbies, and interests. These activities bring joy and fulfillment and can serve as a source of strength when you need it. Rediscovering what makes you feel alive can reinvigorate your journey and remind you of your inner fire. Taking responsibility for your life. Rebuilding yourself means taking full responsibility for your life. This is about no longer playing the victim or blaming others for your circumstances. You are the architect of your own destiny. When you take responsibility, you reclaim your power and gain control over your future. Letting go of toxic relationships. Part of rebuilding yourself is distancing yourself from people or relationships that drain you or hinder your growth. Surround yourself with individuals who lift you up, who support your journey, and who inspire you to be better. You deserve relationships that nourish your soul. Practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool in the process of rebuilding. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, allowing you to see the abundance in your life. Practicing gratitude can increase your resilience, boost your mood, and help you maintain a positive outlook as you work toward your goals. Cheers. Trusting the process. The journey of rebuilding yourself requires trust in the process. You may not see immediate results, and there may be times when you question whether you're on the right path. Trust that the work you're doing today is setting the foundation for a better tomorrow. Every day is an opportunity to get closer to the person you are meant to be. Honoring your growth as you rebuild. Take time to honor and celebrate your growth. Acknowledge the progress you've made and recognize the strength it took to get there. Rebuilding yourself is a process of continual transformation, and every step forward is a testament to your resilience and dedication.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss another video.